Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that has quietly become one of the most trusted and best-selling vehicles in the world. For 2026, Toyota hasn't just made small changes, they've refined the RAV4 from top to bottom, focusing on efficiency, technology, comfort, and everyday usability, while keeping the rugged personality that made it so popular in the first place. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 RAV4 looks sharper and more confident than before. The front fascia is more modern, with a redesigned grille and slimmer headlights that give it a cleaner, more aggressive appearance. The body lines are smoother yet still muscular, making the SUV look capable without being bulky. Depending on the trim, you'll notice different design flavors. From a more urban-friendly look to adventure-oriented versions with tougher cladding, roof rails, and unique wheels, it's a design that works just as well in the city as it does on rougher roads. Under the hood, the biggest change for 2026 is that the RAV4 is now fully electrified. There's no traditional gasoline engine anymore. Every model comes with a hybrid setup, and there's also a more powerful plug-in hybrid version for those who want extra performance and the ability to drive on electricity alone. The standard hybrid delivers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for daily commuting and long drives. The plug-in hybrid takes things further with significantly more power and an electric-only range that can easily cover most daily trips without using any fuel at all. On the road, the 2026 RAV4 feels refined and confident. The suspension has been tuned for better comfort, absorbing bumps and rough patches without feeling soft or unstable. Steering is light and easy at low speeds, which is great for parking and city driving, while still feeling stable and predictable on highways. All-wheel drive is available on certain trims, adding extra confidence in rain, snow, or light off-road conditions. Overall, it's a vehicle that feels easy to live with, even if you're not a car enthusiast. Inside the cabin, Toyota has focused heavily on technology and usability. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with a fully digital instrument cluster that clearly shows speed, navigation, and driving information. The central infotainment screen is larger and more responsive than before, supporting wireless smartphone connectivity so you can use navigation, music, and calls without plugging in your phone. The system is designed to be simple and intuitive, which means less distraction while driving. Material quality inside the RAV4 is practical rather than flashy. You'll find a mix of soft-touch surfaces and durable plastics, chosen more for long-term reliability than luxury. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long journeys easy. And there's plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. Storage space is another strong point, with a generous cargo area that easily handles groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear. Plus, smart storage compartments throughout the cabin. Safety has always been a strong selling point for Toyota, and the 2026 RAV4 continues that tradition. It comes equipped with an advanced suite of driver assistance features designed to reduce stress and improve awareness on the road. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and systems that help detect pedestrians and cyclists. These features work quietly in the background, offering extra peace of mind without feeling intrusive. From a daily use perspective, the RAV4 really shines. It's easy to drive, fuel efficient, spacious enough for families, and versatile enough for weekend adventures. The hybrid system keeps running costs low, while Toyota's reputation for reliability makes it a smart long-term choice. Maintenance is straightforward, and resale value remains one of the strongest in its class. In the end, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 isn't trying to be the flashiest or sportiest SUV on the road. Instead, it focuses on what most drivers actually need: efficiency, comfort, safety, and dependability. Whether you're a city driver, a small family, or someone who just wants a reliable SUV that does everything well, the 2026 RAV4 continues to be one of the most well-rounded options available today.